That's a good idea. I might let you do that. Take two, let's try again. As you know, today is the winter solstice, so it's kind of a special time in the year. It's a particularly good time to be practicing meditation and other spiritual practices. It's a good time because there's a certain thing that happens at this point in time in nature, but also because there's a lot of other people around the world that do practices, sacred practices at this time. And this has happened since into prehistoric times, Stonehenge, all that kind of stuff, indigenous peoples from all around the world. So not only are we plugging into a natural phenomenon, but also we're plugging into a kind of a collective human thing that happens at this time of year, where in the ethers there's this kind of vibe in the air, as it were, and we can plug into that. But I'd like to actually start us off with a practice, with a simple walking meditation. So this is a mindfulness practice of mindful walking. And the technique is really, really simple. It's almost the simplest walking meditation that you could come up with, which is simply be aware of your feet. That is, feel each footstep. So be relaxed, be natural. You don't have to be tense or strained. Relax and just feel each footstep. That's it. That's the whole technique. At various points, the mind will wander. You'll start having a thought, or you'll notice something, or you'll get distracted, or you'll lose awareness, and you'll miss one or more footsteps. There'll be like a break. But as soon as you catch that, just come back and try not to miss any footsteps if you can. So it's like, can I relax and just let the body move naturally and pay attention to the footsteps at the same time? And there's, as simple as that is, there's so much in this. There's so much you can experience within this. Okay? All right, let's do it. The track starts just over there. Become aware of your body. As you feel and sense down into your body, you'll notice different sensations in different parts of the body. You can acknowledge what's there in your body and relax any emotional reaction to what you're sensing. Relax any mental commentary and just be present with your body for a few moments as it is. Now I'd like you to become aware of the sense of smell. Even if you can't smell very much to begin with, just put your attention there at the sense of smell. Now you might be aware of other things, perhaps you hear a sound, and that's okay. You don't have to fight that. But just bring your attention back to the sense of smell anyway. And then shifting your awareness to the sense of taste now. Even if there's no obvious taste, put your attention at your mouth. And you might notice eventually a background taste. Now, as you observe the sense of taste, you can relax and let go of other things. So if there's commentary or thoughts, that's okay. You don't have to fight against them. Just relax and let them go in their own time. Mostly you're just not interested. So you can relax the thinking and center yourself in the sense of taste. Just for a few moments longer, aware of what you can taste right now. And then we're going to move on to the sense that for many of us is a little trickier, and that's the sense of sight. So without breaking your meditation, without losing your inner awareness, gradually open your eyes, or maybe half open your eyes, and let the sense of sight come to you. Let the visual impressions come to you whilst you stay at rest within yourself. If you find that your mind gets too busy with looking at different things, you can try relax your eyes and take in your whole field of vision. Now, without talking, we're going to go into our next walking meditation. And this time you can be aware of your senses. If you start to get lost, feel your footsteps again. Just going to walk to the end of the paved section and back, and we'll meet back here.